Hi, smart builders, I am Sarah from Construction Bay. Today we talk about BOMAG MPH 125 Soil Stabilizer. The BOMAG MPH 125 Soil Stabilizer stands as a powerful tool in road construction, offering unrivaled capabilities in soil stabilization and cold recycling. Built by BOMAG, a company with a long-standing reputation for excellence in road machinery, the MPH 125 brings both power and precision to the work site. At the heart of the MPH 125 is a powerful Dutza TCD 2015 V06 diesel engine, producing 483 horsepower. Coupled with its robust weight and size, this machine can efficiently mix and blend various soil types with additives such as cement, lime, or bitumen. A key feature of the MPH 125 is its OROPS FOPS cabin, which is designed with operator safety and comfort in mind. The cabin is sound insulated, air-conditioned, and fitted with economically designed controls. Moreover, it offers excellent visibility of the job site, ensuring precise operations. The MPH 125 also utilizes BOMAG's advanced BMS 12 milling and mixing motor. This motor ensures optimal mixing quality and allows for adjustable mixing depth, providing flexibility based on the project's requirements. Its quick change tool holder system also saves time and effort during maintenance operations. Another notable aspect of the MPH 125 is its Intel EcoMode system. This system manages engine and hydraulic performance to reduce fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. The machine also features BOMAG's BCMS, BOMAG Compaction Management System, that records boards, manages, and documents all relevant stabilization parameters, ensuring optimal performance and quality control. Thanks for a lovely full watch. Subscribe for next video. Give a like, comment for inspire. Thank you.